So in this video series, we have to see the forging processes. So the forging process is one of the production processes. The main types is the hot forging and cold forgings. First, what is hot forging, cold forging? Before this, I told one point. Already I told one point. Recrystallization temperatures. What is recrystallization temperature? Recrystallization temperature is very important. One product will be semi-solid stage temperature. It's otherwise called as the semi-solid stage temperature. For example, I have selected the one material, aluminum material. The melting point is the 600 degrees Celsius. Okay. So the recrystallization temperature of the aluminum material is the 400 degrees Celsius. So at this 400 degrees Celsius, the aluminum material is not be solid. It's not solid. It's not liquid. It is a semi-solid stage. So in this semi-solid stage, you have to change the shape will be easily processed, and also you have improve the strengthening processes like the hardness and tensile strength like this of this examples. That means to the grain size, the fine grain size is very important. The material, the grain size structure will be reduced to the fine grain size. So you have to hard grain sizes is compared to the fine grain sizes means that will change the high that the reaction is the high hardness and also high tensile strength. So this is the one categories, high tensile strength and high hardness. So this is the one categories. Okay, so this is also very important one. So this is a major part. You have to done the forging process or another second category production process means definitely you have increased the strength of the material. The strength of the material is a very important one. The strength of the material will be easily improved by the applying this production processes. Okay, so this type of forging processes, hot forging and cold forging. What is hot forging means? To heat the product material above recrystallization temperature, like the aluminum material. Means give the 440, 420 degrees, 420 or 440. Above 450 means you have to change the liquid. Okay, almost the liquid stage. So not heat the 450 degrees Celsius, 420 or 430 degrees Celsius. Heat the materials. So in this heat the material, the reflection is the highly strength. So this is a hot forging process. But you have to heat the below 400 degrees Celsius, like 360 degrees Celsius or 380 degree Celsius means that is the cold forging process. And also quenching process. Quenching process is a sudden cooling process. After the forging process, the workpiece is taken dip the water, means it's a sudden cooling. So room temperature cooling is the normal cooling process. But as a water cooling process is the sudden cooling process. Is otherwise the technical name is the quenching process. It is the same like heat treatment process. You have studied in materials and metallurgy. This is not metrology subject. Materials and metallurgy subject. Like their semesters. Okay. Materials and metallurgy subjects. You have to study the engineering materials areas. What is the type of materials, and also how to improve the properties of the materials. The heat treatment process is very important one. Okay, so like this heat treatment process, same ஒரு ப்ராடக்டை நம்ம இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா தட் இஸ் a forging process, like forging. இதே இது ஒரு மெட்டீரியல் எடுத்து நம்ம ஒரு ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரென்தனிங் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா லைக் தி ஹீட் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் ப்ராசஸ், தட்ஸ் த சேம் ப்ராசஸ். பட் ஹீட் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் ப்ராசஸ் இஸ் லாட் ஆஃப் ப்ரொசீஜர்ஸ் தட் how to take the furnace, heat the material is some more time and waiting time, and also the reducing heat the time, this is sudden cooling, the room temperature cooling. So these are the major categories included in the heat treatment process. Already you studied in engineering material materials and metallurgy subjects.